The other day I saw a post on one of the Danish Pokemon sites where you can buy and sell cards. A guy looking for a cool like slab stand, like the ones you get from PSA and CGC and all those big ones. And I have all this leftover bamboo, so I thought I'd try to make some funny slab holders for your Pokemon, graded Pokemon cards from bamboo. It's both environmentally friendly and I think it can get pretty good looking with the right amount of work and the right ideas. So I sort of want to make one that can hold singles and also maybe a flat one that can hold like multiple cards. So I think that's what the video here is going to be about, me trying to display your Pokemon slabs. On the internet I also saw this cool storage trick, how you can store all your nails and screws and all sorts of small stuff. You take an old jar, in this instance it's an old pickle jar, and you take the lid and you screw it on here, and then you can screw it up, and then your lid is out of the way, and whenever you need it you just screw it off and there's your storage. So I'm gonna attach this to my workbench here and try if it actually works. Three small screws should be plenty, as it's not that heavy. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah! Oh, I need some nails. Certainly works. That's a very simple one, but maybe it's a bit too deep because you can't see the bottom of the card, but I mean the artwork is probably the most important thing of the card. I don't know if it's too low. You guys must tell me if it's too low. I'll make it prettier by sanding it down and adjusting the sides so it's level. That's pretty cool. I think I'll donate this one to the guy that gave me the idea from the Danish group. Seems like a good idea. Maybe I'll get a little subscribe. Who knows? And this is it, guys. What I made today. I have the one slab display holder right here, and the big one which has 4 slots where you can have 4, like so. I think it's a pretty cool result.